The El Rey treatment facility in Belltown closed in 2020, forcing dozens of people from the place they called home.
When it closed down, we talked to many of them who didn't know what they were going to do or where they were going to go.
Whitney Bashaw, who lives and works next door, says that not knowing has been disastrous for many of the people she used to call neighbors.
We have seen them on the streets, or we have, heard of them going through really, really hard times.
This is part of helping people get from crisis to recovery to becoming self-sufficient again.
King County Executive Dow Constantine says the Crisis Care Centers levy is a solution to problems we see every day.
The lack of investment shows up in our streets. It shows up in our jails. It shows up in our communities. And we have to do something about it.
The levy would cost taxpayers $1.25 billion over the course of 9 years, 2024 to 2032. That tax money would help create a network of 5 crisis care centers, provide funds for the recruitment and retention of community behavioral health workers, and increase the number of residential treatment beds. Constantine describes the plan as a missing link to the biggest issue facing King County: homelessness.
You can build housing, and that is the most critical missing element. But if you don't have a place for people to get treatment, they're not going to be able to stick with that housing. They're not going to be able to start to reclaim their lives.
Whitney is glad to see someone in local government trying to address the issues she sees every day.
I would rather see people housed and taken care of than an empty building rotting and people on the street.
Constantine believes the council will approve it. 2 council members, Gurmai Zalahai and Jean Cole-Wells, have told me that they will be voting yes. Other council members I reached out to are either undecided or did not get back to me. Live in Seattle, Cornelius Hawker, King 5 News.